AP reporting live from my bedroom. I just want to ask y'all a question for y'all folks is around my age. When y'all start to sneeze, does it give you a little anxiety? Well, here lately it has me. Because I don't know what it is about getting older and your pee issue, but every time I sneeze hard, I pee. I don't get it. I mean, it didn't used to happen. But now, when I feel a sneeze coming on, I start getting nervous. Especially if I'm out in public. I mean, if you ever hear somebody sneeze and they go,